Welcome to Sauna Room Assembly, Part 2. Begin by connecting the wires to the power controller. Note, always refer to the official electrical diagram before making any connections. Once wiring is complete, close the power controller cover securely. Lead the heater wire or wires through the conduit toward the heater location. Open the bottom cover of the heater to access the terminal block. Connect the wires according to the diagram and ensure all connections are tight. Double-check your connections again with the diagram to avoid errors. Reattach the bottom cover firmly. Now attach the heater guard for safety and compliance. Mount the heater to the wall, then attach the heater reflector above the unit. Carefully pile the stones onto the heater. Next, lead the RJ12 control cable through the conduit. Connect the cable to the control unit. Attach the control unit securely to the wall. Lead the wires for the cabin light through the conduit. Mount the cabin light holder onto the wall. Connect the light wires properly. Now install the glass. Measure the correct position for the light cover holders. Screw the light cover holders into place. Hang the light cover onto the holders. Lead the temperature sensor wire through the conduit. Connect the sensor wire to the power controller. Mount the sensor onto the wall or ceiling. Refer to the heater manual for correct placement. Screw the sensor cover to the wall to protect the sensor. Finally, place the sauna room flooring to complete the installation. The sauna assembly is now complete, and it's ready for final checks and use. Thank you for watching. If you found this sauna installation guide helpful, give it a thumbs up and subscribe for more expert tips. Sauna World, all you need for true sauna experience.